Today, we will discuss Scala Hosting and Cloudways. Basically, both Cloudways and Scala Hosting want to make cloud hosting simpler for their clients. While they handle technical details, users can focus on their websites and applications. Thus, they both provide very similar basic service in spite of their different pricing structures and infrastructures. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Scala Hosting mostly makes use of its internal infrastructure. Although they have experience working with different cloud providers, their managed cloud VPS is their main focus. They have more control over the software and hardware as a result, generally regarded as more economical, particularly when used over an extensive period of time. They frequently provide simpler pricing schemes. Cloudways functions as a layer of management for cloud infrastructure providers, including DigitalOcean, Vultr, Linode, AWS, and Google Cloud. Customers are now able to choose the cloud provider of their choosing, has a pay-as-you-go business model which caters to those who need flexibility, but it can lead to higher costs depending on how resources are used. All in all, both place a high priority on the functionality of websites and applications. They use a variety of strategies including caching, content delivery networks or CDNs, and optimized server setups to increase speed and dependability. In order to facilitate user management of their servers, both platforms have developed their own control panels.